Hey traders, today we are diving into something really exciting, which is trading with the help of AI. Yes, I'm going to be generating signals using ChatGPT Plus Traderbot, but guys, here is the twist. I won't follow these signals blindly, I will combine technical analysis with these signals. So if it will match, I will open a deal, but if it will not, then I will just skip it. This selective approach will help us filter out weak setups and boost our win rate. And if you're curious about how AI can help me to make decisions, guys, this video is for you, and I really advise you to watch this till the end so you will get to know how I work using this tool. And so let's jump and start analyzing. So now I log into the Telegram channel to the chatbot and click the receive signal button. After that, the chatbot sends you a list of currency pairs to choose from. I select from the list the currency pair for which I want to receive a signal and click on it. Guys, immediately after that, the chatbot sends further instruction here. It offers me to open a deal for 5 minutes to go down. Okay, I will fulfill the specified conditions by setting the time to 5 minutes and pressing the red button. At the same time, we can see that we have a resistance level at the top, and now after touching the level, the price has pushed off and is moving down. Red candles are forming. Guys, the chatbot assumes that the price will move down in the near future. I think it's quite possible in this situation because this level is quite strong. Last time the price rolled back from this level. For sure, there will be a downward pullback this time. I think that 5 minutes in this situation is quite possible. Even take into account possible consolidation, guys. Let's wait for the end of our deal. So my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, after a slight upward pullback, the downward movement continued and we got the profit here. So the chatbot was right. I have correctly predicted the further price movement here, and as you can see, technical analysis combined with hints, the chatbot is working great. Guys, let's continue. So the chatbot here offers us to open a deal to go up. Okay, I will agree to it. I will click the green button. At the same time, we can see that we have a resistance level from above. We can see that after the downward pullback, the price has reversed and is approaching our level again. The chatbot assumes that the price will move up in the near future. And since the price has a great potential to increase, I think it's quite possible in this situation. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. I think that in this situation, 5 minutes will be also enough, guys. Take into account possible consolidation or a pullback down. Guys, as you understand, the chatbot always sends signals with the duration of 5 minutes. So that's why we always have to take this in mind. Therefore, it is important to take it as important point to predict the price movement. And so let's wait for the result, guys. Well, my dear traders, as you can see, the price really got into the consolidation zone and moved in a certain range. But still, the closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. This means that we got the profit here. So the chatbot turned out to be right. The price continues the upward movement, and I have correctly predicted the further movement of the chart. Well, at the same time, as you can see, 5 minutes was just enough for us here. Everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. So guys, in this situation, the chatbot offers me to open a deal to sell. Okay, let's fulfill the specified conditions and press the red button. At the same time, I also see that we have a resistance level at the top. At the same time, you also see that there was a steady uptrend here, and after the first touch of the level, a reversal occurred. That is, the price is pushed off from the resistance level and is moving down. So chatbot assumes that the downward movement will continue in the near future. Guys, of course, it's quite possible in this situation. I think after a confident uptrend, some kind of corrective movement will occur. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money here. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. So guys, it's not bad. The price is moving slowly but confidently. As you can see, the downward trend continues to exist, and I have managed to earn on this movement. This situation has worked out perfectly, guys. So let's continue our trading. So here the chatbot offers us to open a deal to buy. Okay, let's not refuse the chatbot and press the green button. At the same time, we can see that we have resistance level at the top. At the same time, we can see that there was also a strong uptrend. And after the pullback, the price turned around and is approaching this level again. At the moment, there is a certain tightening of the resistance level. The chatbot assumes that the price will continue to move up in the near future. And of course, in this situation, it is also quite possible. It is also quite possible that this will be breached, guys. I think that 5 minutes in this situation will be quite enough, even take into account the possible consolidation or pullback down, guys. Well, let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, it's not bad. As you can see, after the downward pullback, the upward movement continued. The resistance level has also been breached. Fairly confident impulsive green candlesticks have formed, and I have managed to earn on this upward movement. The chatbot was right again and suggested us a really good entry point. As you can see, these situations really work out well, so everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. Here the chatbot offers us to open a deal to sell. I will fulfill the specified condition and press the red button. At the same time, we also see that there is downward movement. At the moment, the price steadily moving down and approaching the support level. And the chatbot assumes that the price will move down in the near future. It is also quite possible that this level will be breached, guys. I think that this is also quite possible in this situation, since we also see that the main price highs are getting lower. There is the overall price potential is going down, and I hope that 5 minutes in this situation will also be enough, even take into account possible consolidation or pullback up. So my dear traders, let's wait for the result. So guys, as you can see, there has been a trend reversal. The price has gone up quite confidently. Unfortunately, this is where we lost. As you can see, sometimes this happens, but guys, in no case should you worry. Sometimes such situations occur in the market. That's totally fine. Guys, as you can see, it's not always possible to correctly predict the further price movement, but we still have some funds on deposit. So guys, just let's continue and not think of this loss. So guys, here the chatbot offers us to open a deal to sell. I will agree with the chatbot and I will press the red button. At the same time, we can see that at the moment there is a downtrend. Red candles are mainly formed. Also, I can see that we have a level of support down here. At the same time, there's still quite a lot of space to reach the support level. The chatbot assumes that the downward trend will continue to exist in the near future. Of course, I think it's quite possible in this situation, guys. For sure, the price will continue to move towards the level and we will try to make money on this movement. Well, I think 5 minutes here will be quite enough. And so let's wait for the result, guys. So I believe that's great. As you can see, the downtrend continued to exist. Red candles are forming. The price is really approaching the support level. And I have correctly managed to predict the further price movement, guys. The chatbot turned out to be right here, and I have managed to earn on this downtrend. Well, let's continue our trading and make another request. So, my dear traders, in this situation, the chatbot offers us to open a deal to sell. Well, I will agree to it. And we'll press red button. At the same time, we can see that there was a steady downtrend here. There's also support level at the bottom. The price has already touched this level several times, and after the pullback, the reversal happened again. The price is moving down and approaching support level, and the chatbot assumes that the price will continue to move towards the level. Also, guys, of course, it's quite possible that this level will be breached, since we see that the price has already touched the level 3 times. That is the moment there is some kind of tightening, and it is quite possible that this level will still be broken. So I think 5 minutes here will be totally enough. Take into account the possible consolidation or pullback up. Guys, let's wait for the result. Guys, that's great. The price really continued its downward movement. The support level was also broken, and I have managed to earn on this movement. As you can see, the chatbot turned out to be right. Well, so far everything is going great, guys. Let's continue our trading session. So, my dear traders, here the chatbot offers us to open a deal to sell. Okay, that's what we are going to do. I press the red button. At the same time, we can see that we have a level of support down below. Also, at the moment after the rollback, the price has reversed and is approaching the level again. At the same time, we also see that the main price highs are getting lower. Guys, that is the overall price potential is going down. This means that the price is more likely to continue moving towards the level. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money with you. And since there is still quite a lot of space before the support level, I think that 5 minutes will be quite enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. What can I say, guys? As you can see, the price got into the consolidation zone and moved in a certain range. Well, nevertheless, the downward movement continued and we managed to make money with you on this movement. Well, the chatbot, in fact, was right. And guys, combined with technical analysis, everything is going great. Well, in this situation, the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes to sell. Okay, let's agree, and I will press the red button again. At the same time, we also see that there was a good confident uptrend here. There is also resistance level at the top. After touching this level, red candles begin to form, and the chatbot assumes that the price will move down in the near future. I think that in this situation, it is of course quite possible. Guys, after confident uptrend, the price will push off from the resistance level and a pullback will occur. That is, there will be some kind of corrective movement. It is on this moment that we will try to make money. So now just let's watch the price and wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad at all, not bad. As you can see, the downtrend continues to exist, the price moves in waves, and the closing point of our deal turned out to be lower than the opening point. Well, this means that in fact the chatbot turned out to be right and I managed to earn on this downward movement, guys. In the meantime, I already have more than $6,000 on deposit and well, I suggest we end here. So, my dear traders, one deal wasn't profitable, but other 8 hit their targets. I think that's a strong result for such a short session. Guys, and as you can see, the combination of AI-powered signals plus technical analysis gives a really good result, right? And also, maybe you can try it on yourself if you are searching something which can help you to improve your trading results. Here's the best part. Guys, this chatbot is 100% for free. And since it's available for everyone, I dropped the link down below if you would like to check it yourself. And even if you are new to trading, guys, you also can use this chatbot. Just be careful, don't follow these signals blindly, always combine it with technical analysis, and don't forget about risk money management so you have some funds on your deposit in case of unsuccessful deal. So, if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel for more interesting strategies from me, and good luck! May your next session to be full of profitable deals!